Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today, we're going to be replacing the head on this ring here. This head, as you can see, the prongs are very worn. There's very little metal covering the diamond. When the prongs get this worn down, there's the risk that there's not enough metal and it's going to flop off, break off, bend, and then there's the risk of losing the stone. So if the prongs are getting this small, you might want to consider having the head replaced or repaired. This is a key essentially. What this is going to do is it's going to catch the edge of the prong and I'll be able to pull it. The next step, now that we've taken the diamond out, we're going to remove this head and then we're going to attach this new head onto this. We've removed the head from this ring, so I heated up the edges of the ring and tried to maintain an evenness, and then when the solder that's on it started to flow, that allowed me to pull the head out of this shank. So here's our new head. So we're going to clean up the solder joints here, make it so that way this head fits and that it's straight, and then we're going to work on cleaning it up a little bit and then getting it ready for putting the diamond into it. We have our new head installed. Here's our diamond. We're going to be using a burr, so as you can see, it has a similar shape to a diamond. And that's going to go in. We're going to make cuts on the prongs, and then we're going to put the diamond in, and then we're going to bend the prongs in towards the diamond and lock it in place. Alright, we set the stone, and now we're ready to clean up the metal. We're going to round over the prongs and give the head a polish. Now we're going to go and use the polishing wheel to clean up the rest of the shank. The ring's been polished and it has polishing compound all over it. This is an ultrasonic. It's going to go in there and it's going to remove the polishing compound. Here we go. We have a polished ring. It has a new head in it. The prongs are much larger, rounded over, as opposed to being flattened and worn. It's all polished. Thanks for watching. This is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Would love that. Thank you very much for watching.